I'm showing you here available wallpaper here in Cebu City. This is available in Living and Style here in Park Mall. As we go closer, you can see that they have a lot of design for you to choose from. Take note, this is not ordinary wallpaper. They're actually imported materials. And imported designs. The materials of this wallpaper are made of vinyl, and it comes with 50 width, 0.50 width, and then 10 meters for length. So you can see that's the whole roll is 10 meters, and you can choose in many designs that they have available here in their books and on their display. So you can see here that this is the rock crystal design. It's 2,500 per 10 meter roll. And you got the chic geometric designs at 1,500 per 10 meter roll. And you also got the candy pie, which is like sweet colorings or pastels at 1,800 per roll. You got the Beyond Passion. It's like an embossed design at 10 meters per roll at 1,800 per roll. You got a Simple Life design at 1,500 per roll. Beyond Fashion is 1,800 per roll. So you got the Dreams On, 1,500 per roll. Like the 3D Vision designs, it's 1,500 per roll. They got a lot of designs available in their books. You can see it's made of vinyl. That you can choose from, and you can match your furnishings on this wallpaper. They also offer you or can refer you to an installer for a minimum of 500 pesos per roll. But of course, they require that when you want your wallpaper installed, that the room or the walls are already pre-primed. I mean, all ready for wallpaper installations, means the cracks and the bulginess, it has to be skim or something. If you are ordering some designs that's not here, they also take orders, and they can order it for you based on their books. They got a lot here that you can choose from. And I'll show you that their recommended bonding material to use is this Apollo white glue and a wallpaper adhesive that should be mixed together. This is their recommended sticking materials. This is the wallpaper adhesive by Mr. Bond mixed with this white glue by Apollo that you can buy here. But if you know how to install your own wallpapers, or you have experience in installing it, there's no stopping you from doing it yourself, as long as the wall is already primed and ready to put on. So you can see that there's a lot of designs. I can see it clearly here in the books. then the rolls. So they got the books here for you to choose from with all the different designs. So it comes in 0.50 meter width, and then the length per roll is 10 meters. And again, the installation is a minimum of 500 pesos per roll. So when you come here, it's located in Park Mall, Mandaue City, and the name of the shop is called Living in Style, where there's a lot of furnitures also that I will feature in a minute that you can choose from at very reasonable prices. But as for this video, I'll be showing you the wallpaper that I'm sure some of the Filipinos are not familiar with this kind of wallpaper, because our wallpapers here are just plain papers, but this one is all made of vinyl. It's durable and it's beautiful. It's all imported materials and imported design, but it's just made in China. But it's still the same brand that you can see when you buy wallpapers abroad. Like this book, you can see every design on this book costs about 1,800 per roll. The rock crystal, which is their most expensive one, like this one, is 2,500 per roll. So there, now you can know where to find your wallpaper requirements here in Living in Space Center, or Furniture Center, inside Park Malls, Mandaue City, Cebu. Because we've been searching for this, because a lot of you has been requesting this channel to find the wallpaper that will suits your requirement, not just ordinary ones that you can see in Colon, but the best ones in the market here in Cebu right now is this one, located again inside Park Mall, Mandaue City, Cebu.